Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn about the procedure of sieving, fine and coarse aggregate. First of all, we need to weigh the bucket so that its weight is not mixed with the weight of fine aggregate. Next, we will need a shovel to transfer the fine aggregate into our bucket. Then, we have to weigh the overall weight of fine aggregate on the scale. After we weigh the fine aggregate, we'll need the sieving pan and make sure its order is from largest to smallest. Then, we need to weigh our sieving pan first before we put fine aggregate in it. This is because we don't want to mix the weight of the pan and fine aggregate together. After that, we can put our fine aggregate into the sieving pan. Let's move into the sieving part. In this video, we will use the manual sieving. First one, we need to make sure our bodies are bent 90 degrees, not like this, but this. Make sure your friends set the timer for 10 minutes for this part. If you already tired, make sure to pause the timer and switch with your friends, and then start the timer again. After we've done sieving for 10 minutes, we will weigh the sieving pan one by one, and then we will write down the weight retains on sieve for our lab report. Alright, let's move to the next part. In this part, we will be using machine for the sieving. First one, just like before, we need to weigh the bucket first. And then we will be using shovel to transfer the coarse aggregate into the bucket. Just like before, we will weigh the bucket and coarse aggregate together. Then we can start to arrange the sieving pan from largest to smallest. Next, we will weigh the sieving pan first. And then we can start to put our coarse aggregate into the sieving pan. Alright, now we're going to use this machine called Sieve Shaker. And this is how we use it. After we've done putting the sieving pan on the machine, we can set the timer for 10 minutes and start. Now we can weigh our sieving pan one by one for our lab report. And don't forget to write down the weight.